traders, thank you so much for joining us into today's session. If you guys see my face, I look so tired. It's not because I didn't sleep well or anything. I slept very well for the past 3 days. I've been getting at least 8 hours of sleep every night, which I'm very, very grateful and thankful for. I actually I ate my dinner just now, okay, up to here, guys. I cooked and then I eat. I think three people worth of food I eat today, so which is insane. That's why I look so tired because I have too much of energy in my body. So I had a pink sign already. Actually, I almost thought of not coming live stream, but then cannot. I promise you guys, right? 5 times a week, must do it. Hello Ali, hello Durga. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream. So guys, today, let me do my intro first. My name is Guna. For those that don't know who I am, I've been trading for almost 4 years now. And my main goal for my YouTube channel, especially my live streams, which you are viewing right now, is to provide you guys as much free and up-to-date information pertaining to price action. Also, to give you guys predictions like the ones that we predicted yesterday. One of them is actually Solana, and then the other one we also have a few in ForexPass which we'll be going through. I have a prediction for gold also for it to move towards the upside, so we'll be going through it later. BTC super strong. Yes, Lion, correct. We'll go through that also. Look at BTC, guys. Oh my god. What number is this? Let me see. Hi. 118,882, guys. Insane, this move. Oh, I don't know what to say. Okay, but amazing move. But also, I'm kind of thankful for BTC moving in that sense, because we analyzed yesterday our predictions for Solana for a buying opportunity, right? So this was the potential target. Okay, basically this line that you guys can see. Very easily the line got smashed. Okay, this liquidity has been taken out. Also thanks to the movement that was caused by BTC in this sense lah. ETH also the same thing, guys. Remember we were roughly within this range, okay, and then we predicted at least this liquidity range to be taken out as well. It did, and it went even higher than what we predicted, which is insane. And to be honest, I don't think it's going to be slowing down now. I think we're still going to be moving up. I didn't do much of a prediction for ETH. I just opened up the chart and then I saw, wow, okay, our last liquidity range that we predicted also has been taken out already. So if you guys enter for buying opportunities for Solana or ETH, right, congrats, guys. Really congrats. I was very thankful. So I entered Solana yesterday, and then this morning when I woke up, okay, I closed the trade already because it went up even higher. But then I am primarily aiming for this range. So when I woke up, I saw price roughly around here. So then I closed up the trade already. Okay, if I hold, okay, at least it will go even higher, but it's okay. We don't be greedy, right? We just follow whatever we predict. Okay, we just follow that only. You don't need to be greedy. Still a very good and happy day lah. Okay, so let's speak about gold first, because gold is moving right now. So guys, I'm potentially thinking this would be the target range where gold is about to hit to 3363.48. Initially today, right, I was anticipating actually for a selling opportunity. Okay, so because let me explain to you. Okay, so I saw gold was actually moving up, right? Okay, higher highs, higher lows, very beautiful movement. Okay, now I draw like this. Of course, look ugly a bit, but bear with me. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, so I'll move it away. Right. Okay, so this is what I saw. Essentially, this is actually a little bit higher. Okay, so this is what I saw. I saw price was moving higher, okay, and then I saw a little bit of consolidation, very little, but primarily I saw, okay, probably price came and swept a liquidity inside the key level range. Okay, I was so close to entering this trade, but I never see something happen based on my trading strategy. There is something that has to happen. Okay, it doesn't matter, even key level liquidity shift doesn't matter. There's something very important that has to occur for me to analyze a proper entry model. That didn't happen. Okay, I felt sad at first because I was like, wow, it's going down. Okay, I was also planning to enter here. Okay, at least it stopped here, but lucky lah, I didn't enter because this was kind of pulling me also. This frontline liquidity. Okay, so I kind of use this frontline liquidity as my exit liquidity range. Okay, basically my TP range lah. I thought I wanted to do this, but then luckily lah, we didn't enter because this is why it's good, guys, to have a very clear SOP, trading SOP, and only follow that SOP. Okay, don't just simply trade. It will make you feel better. So even though the trade go in the directional bias, but your SOP said you cannot enter, it's okay. That means if somebody else turn to earn, we just enjoy, just watch the market. Okay. So goal, guys, like I said, I'm anticipating this area to be taken out. So I'll just set a alert here. Not because I want to enter or anything, but this is what I like to do lah. What I predict, I just like to see if the price will go there or not. That's how I sharpen my understanding in terms of price action, especially in terms of how the market naturally moves. Okay, if you guys are wondering, you see I turned on the old this indicator. If you guys missed it lah, last time we always do our live stream is like this, right? So I just gonna leave it on for a while. It's easier for you guys to understand whenever I teach, so you will know Asia session where, London session where, New York session where. Okay, guys, see, it is moving up powerfully lah. It is moving up. So now, let's continue a bit more. Today's live stream, guys, won't be a very long one for forex pairs. Okay, even cryptocurrencies, we will be analyzing ETH because I feel ETH there is an opportunity lah. Okay, but later we will analyze ETH and I will let you guys know if we can primarily focus for which potential target points. All right. Forex pairs we won't be doing long because Friday already, right? So it's okay lah. Okay, so AUD, guys, same thing. We aimed for this target, okay, for price to actually go and hit it. It did. We did this yesterday, okay. I wish I entered AUD, guys. I didn't enter AUD, unfortunately, but it went very beautifully to our targeted area, okay, yesterday after New York session open, which is very beautiful, guys. And right now, okay, if you guys can take a guess lah. Okay, right now market is kind of consolidating. I know for some of you guys it might not seem as consolidation. Okay, I agree. Okay, because the proper consolidation phase starts from here only actually. Okay, this one is actually powerful move up and then a powerful move up, powerful move down and then a powerful move up in Asia session, and then we consolidating. Okay, does this mean a good thing or bad thing? In my opinion, it's a good thing. Why? Imagine Asia semi-consolidating, London consolidating, so much of volume, right? So much of funds already coming inside of these two sessions. So where do we think the probability of New York is going to do? What is going to do? We wait for manipulation first. Okay, we see first which side of the liquidity he wants to go and grab first, and then we focus on the real leg up or down. Okay, just wait for the manipulation phase for AUD 9:30 today, right? I never checked on news or not. Let me just go and check. Yes, missed this indicator. Okay. I will try to include this indicator in most of the live streams. Okay, so easier for you guys to see. I should have actually left it on now. Collecting liquidity. Correct. Line. Very, very smart. Collecting liquidity. Correct. So it's collecting liquidity and then also London collecting liquidity. We also must look at this. Every session highs and lows. Okay, this is Asia, right? Okay, I removed the last time Asia one. Okay, so this is Asia high. I make it thicker for you guys. Asia low. Okay, so you guys can see. I write it for you. Asia, I just put Asia H, means Asia high. Then Asia low. Okay, Asia high, Asia low. This is what? London high. For guys, typing in one hand. When I was a kid, I could one hand very fast because used to like to play the computer games. Now I more prefer two hands. London low. Okay, so what you guys must focus on, right? Every session high and session low, okay, doesn't matter Asia and London, they are all very powerful key levels, okay? They are very important ranges of liquidity, okay? They call this high resistance liquidity, okay? So, this sense, we must understand, did London take out any of the liquidity for Asia side? Never, So that means this liquidity is very fresh. 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 Every session that comes in, new money comes into the market. Okay? So essentially what we want to see, we want to wait and see a manipulation, which direction of liquidity will New York session go to pick up first. Okay, bear in mind, sometimes he can go down and then he can go up, and then after that he start to go down. This can happen also. This is where price action only will be able to save you. Okay, just wait and be patient. Do not react in the first move up or down. Remember, New York like to have manipulation phases. Even if we have a very powerful move down, let's say we want to go bearish okay? Understand price and then wait for the pullback. Once the pullback occur, understand again. Is this pullback really valid or not? Or is this going to happen? Start to see this and then we start to see going up. To be honest, making mistake is okay. Alright, let's say if it goes down, okay, then you anticipate that it's going to move lower. So you enter sell here. You recheck everything of your best abilities and you enter sell. After that it went down, okay, then after that it's starting to go up. It is okay. Because why? Then you can re-enter another opportunity, but really re-analyze first if the market eventually wants to go up or not. Okay, but my advice to you, just focus on the key levels that I draw out for you guys. Okay, London high, London low, Asia high, Asia low. They are very important key levels. Wait and see during New York session where the manipulation phase will happen. If the manipulation phase happen towards the downside, what I teach you guys, if the market wants to move higher, it will move down first. Vice versa, if the market wants to move lower, it will move up first. So, using that understanding, if the market move up first, that means there's a possibility it wants to essentially move down. Okay, let's flip the table. If you move down, there's a possibility he wants to move up. Just remember, there's so much of power currently in AUD USD, so it's a good market to focus on today for very good possibility. Just wait for the manipulation phase for AUD USD around 9:30. Okay, guys. So we GBP JPY. This is my primary target, which I believe market will be heading to. Okay, 199857. I thought today during Asia session this was going to happen, but it didn't. Okay, we went down back to the key level range. Probably after New York session, if you started to move up, this would be my primary target but again, I'm more focused on AUD because there's a bigger opportunity there. GBP USD, guys, this one actually I saw today okay, I analyzed it today. I told myself do not enter, was too late. This was my potential target. Price was roughly here, ranging within New York London session. I was looking at London session roughly here. I didn't enter because no point, guys. Don't simply enter, but you can analyze. Okay, just analyze. I prefer if I enter a lot higher compared to just this range, because even though it went in my directional bias, right? Even though yes, maybe I could have earned 1-to-1, almost 1-to-2. Okay, cannot pull like this, because we must be very, very fair and very real. Where would we place our TP? Definitely, I will place in the potential target. I won't simply place below that. Okay, say 1 to 1.6. This is not about being greedy. This is not about he only want to take 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. That's why he won't enter. It's not that. It really is not that. It's about focusing on your craft and focusing on what you teach yourself. Very important. So I teach myself to don't be greedy and don't simply enter the markets. Okay, really enter only if it abides by your SOP and the market really shows certain things you want to see. Then only I enter the market. So you guys should be the same way. It's not about greed. It's not about wanting to earn more. It is about training yourself and keeping yourself accountable for all the actions that we take in trading. That is all. Okay? This is just an advice I'm giving to you. Huh? So this is GBP USD. I'm very happy it went to the target, even though I didn't enter. At least our analysis was good. This one I didn't share with you guys yesterday because I analyzed this today. During London session, I analyzed this. Other than that, guys, Euro USD, I cannot see much of an opportunity. Okay, initially I was selling opportunity. The other day we spoke about was very beautiful. Okay, this one we spoke about. I forgot it was yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yesterday, yeah, it was yesterday. I was selling opportunity. So this was very beautiful. Very, very beautiful trade. USD JPY, nothing really much. I was anticipating for this equal high to be taken out. I believe this is a target which market will head to lah. Okay, it seems that way also lah. It really does seems that way. So USD JPY is a potential target to go move higher. Just sharing with you guys lah. But primarily, for me personally, I want to focus on AUD because I believe there is a good opportunity that will be happening. Gold, guys. Gold. Okay, we already speak about it, right? Sorry. I feel like, never speak about gold. No, gold got. But I'm not gonna enter gold or anything lah because there's no trading opportunity here unless New York session gives me some form of pullback and something happen, then there's a possibility that I will enter for a buying opportunity. But I'm only focusing on buys. If we start to break below and want to go below sells and then take out this liquidity, I'm not interested. Okay, buying means then I'm interested because I'm right now focusing on buys only for gold. AUD USD, I cannot give you guys a prediction because, like I said, wait for these key levels to be swept and then see what the market wants to do. Wait for the manipulation phase to pass first and then follow the market makers. Okay, so guys, let's analyze ETH just for quickly, and then after that I will just end the live stream here so you guys can primarily focus on AUD USD lah. So give me a moment for ETH. Okay, let me just clear up this one already taken out, this one already taken out. Okay, let me see, where is ETH right now? Okay, clearly we are sweeping this, clearing off a certain fair value gap range. Okay, we do have liquidity resting here, but again, we also have this level which is considered as a filling up the fair value gap. Another thing we have to bear in mind is our level. Okay, roughly our equilibrium level. Okay, so primarily there are three areas on which I believe market may be going to take out. So you see, equilibrium level has already been taken out, and market still showing not eagerness but a willingness to move higher. Okay, so equilibrium is not the point that we should be focusing on. Let me see. Okay, I don't think this should be the point that we should be focused on. We can focus just on the liquidity range. Okay, so coming back, right? So roughly, guys, I believe this would be my potential target. Potential. Okay, so primarily I'm also focusing on buys for ETH. Potential target. I just got off of Solana this morning, but I want to not focus on Solana now. I just want to change the markets now. Primarily, I want to focus on ETH. I won't be doing BTC because you all know I don't like all-time high. Okay, but using the fact that BTC move in such a sense, okay, that is what I'm kind of focusing my bias on now for ETH. Okay, so I'm not seeing anything yet. We also have to remember that the high of Asia has already been taken out okay, by ETH. The probability of us to move down, okay, when New York session comes in is higher compared to moving up. So I just want to let you guys know that and then understand it. Let me just check to confirm certain things. Okay. All right. Okay. So if we are moving down, right, actually this would be a good opportunity to enter for a selling module. Okay, but I am not going to do that because, like I said, primarily I believe we'll be moving higher. Okay, just based on price action and how slow suddenly price wants to move. So I will wait for after New York session open and then I will see like what are the possibilities of us actually moving higher or lower. Okay, which one actually makes more sense to focus on right now. Okay, but primarily guys, I just let you guys know, ETH I am focusing on buys, even though the market is showing a potential selling model, okay, to move towards the downside. I am focusing on buys. If you're moving down, I may not be interested unless I see a little bit more things happening after New York session, because of course we also have certain fair value gaps, very big ones, that there is a very high potential or possibility for market to actually come and fill up. This one has been filled out. We have liquidity ranges here, okay, but yeah, every liquidity counts actually. We cannot say for sure lah, but the fair value gap is very obvious. So if you're moving down, the possibility of us going to that fair value gap is quite high. So let us see. Let's just wait for New York session. But just to share with you guys, I'm primarily focusing on buy. So I'm just focusing on ETH. I'm not going to focus on any other cryptocurrencies, and I'm just going to be focusing on AUD USD, not on any other forex pair stuff. Our anticipating for gold for to reach this target is so far quite accurate, guys. Gold is moving higher. Again, if you guys would like to learn all of the conferences that I do on a day-to-day basis on how I read the markets and all for the past 4 years, what I've learned, I do have my own personal 6-week course, which you guys can actually reach out to me to find out more details about. I have links in the description below where you can directly reach out to me through my WhatsApp number, or you can send me a DM through my Instagram page, which I do have those links as well to find out more details, right, guys? But if you do reach out, let me know you're from YouTube. It mean a lot to me because I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel as much as possible. Okay, guys, since a few more minutes are more to 9:30. Oh, yeah. I promise you guys, right? I will check if you got news or not. Okay, wait. Let me check. Okay, no news today, guys. I mean, got, but not around 9 lah. Earlier, we had a FOMC member speak around 1:15 a.m. Malaysia time. And then 2 p.m. today, we had GBP news. So I didn't know it got GBP news, but I predicted it to move down lah because based on price action. Right? That's why I said, if you really know the price action, okay, price action can literally, not all the time, but based on my backtesting, 60 to 80% of the time, it can predict what the outcome of the news will be. Okay, for some reason, some magical reason. So just be good at price action, you can kind of predict news really. Hello, my cat is here, guys. So I just want to say hi. Okay, guys. So let me just remove this. This one is not important anymore. This is no longer potential target. We already reached this level, which is a very good level. Okay, so now we don't have any potential target yet. We are just waiting right now. Okay, guys. So let's all be fishermen right now and just be patient. Okay, and wait and see what New York session will be doing later on. Remember, I just saying again, the pairs I personally am focusing on AUD/USD for forex pairs, ETH for crypto, nothing else. Primarily, both of them are focusing on buys. ETH giving me signs for a move down. I may change my bias for ETH only after I see how New York session plays out. Then I will change my bias. But still, the primary target is that number like earlier we saw. AUD/USD, I don't have a potential bias yet because I don't know which side of liquidity is about to be swept first for that manipulation phase. So wait for the manipulation phase to happen after 9:30. Don't enter right away 9:30. Okay, remember the first move up or down is a manipulation phase. Wait for it to pass and then understand your directional bias. All right. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Thank you, sir. No worries. Thank you guys so much for joining the live stream. I appreciate every single one of you. This will be the last live stream of this week. So I will catch every single one of you amazing traders and amazing people in the very next live stream coming Monday. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. Okay, enjoy to the max. I will see you all in the very next one. Take care, guys. Goodbye.